In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to back up WhatsApp messages into Google Drive on iPhone. So let's get started. So first is that once you're here in WhatsApp, tap on settings on the bottom right. In here is that you just simply need to tap on chats right here. Now, once you're here, tap on chat backup. In here, tap on backup now if you haven't already, and then you would want to wait until this is done. Now that it's done, you want to go back. And from here, you want to tap on export chats. And now you should now be able to see all the chats that you'd have. And from here, you just need to select the conversation in here that you would want to export. For example, I would want to go for this one. So I have selected a conversation. As you can see, it says WhatsApp chat and then the contact name. And from here to export this into Google Drive, you just simply need to find Google Drive installed in your phone. So if you don't have Google Drive in here, it's probably not installed yet. So you would need to install it first in the Play Store and sign in. And then from here, tap on Google Drive. And now from here, you can now export this by tapping here on upload on the top right. And just like that, you have now successfully exported or backed up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.